Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. So let me explain a very good use case of an e-commerce shop that is using multiple applications for business management. So we are assuming this e-commerce shop is using an e-commerce SaaS-based application to host the website, to take orders. And then they are using one SaaS application to run email campaigns, another SaaS application to manage their accounting, and maybe some custom software for invoicing, billing, and purchases. So now you want to see a daily dashboard or a report where you could find daily basis sales, how many orders were placed, how many were paid, how many were shipped, cancelled, etc. And then you want status of your email campaigns, and then from your accounting you want to see like how much you paid in marketing. In your custom software you probably may want to see your inventory levels and daily purchases. So in this use case we will show you how we would use all these data sets from different apps into MS Excel, and we'll be creating beautiful charts and pivots. Okay, so next step is to set up our connections. Since for this use case I have set up all these connections to make it faster. So I have got Big Shop in this use case, Chimpy, our email campaign runner, the dollar books where we are storing our accounting, and I have got one database connected with my SQL server. So these are the 4 connections I have set up it for this use case. I will jump directly to the data collection side of it. So to browse the data into MS Excel, we need to add the data collections, like the data sets what we need to browse from different sources. So we hit add new, we select our connection, Big Shop, and here we see all the connected collections in this connector. So in QuickBooks or in Shopify we may have different data sets like accounts, your customers, so on. So you can just browse any sort of data from our previously set up objects. So you don't really need to care about setting up all these technical things behind the scene. So we have set up everything for you as I'm showing in this use case. So in this use case I have set up a dummy mock connector that is Big Shop, and I have set up 3 data sets for that. So what we just need to do is just click on the object, click next, and it will browse with the data. So here we can see all the data, and we'll talk later about this functionality of other things about this screen. But right now we'll just straightforward jump to the save. We'll hit save, and I will save this collection. Yep, hit save. Boom, your collection is set up. Now I will go and add my another collection. Hit save, done. So I've set up these 2 collections here. Same way I will set up other collections as well. I will now go a little faster. Same way I've set up this collection as well. Now I will jump directly to the MS Excel on the portal. So we go to the plugin, we open the data collection explorer. By the way, I am already logged in to my environment. So once you hit the data collection explorer, it shows you all the connections you have connected to, and then expanding them will show you the data collections which we set up already there. as a part of in our previous steps. So now, if I just go and click on any of this collection, I click on run. It will show me the parameters. So we put the start date, end date, we hit on run, and it shows us the data here. So the beauty is that anytime we want to change the range, we can just go ahead and we can say, hey, I don't want this data, but I want only just one single month of data. It will browse me that one, or it will browse me the data out there. In the same way, I can run multiple data sets here. Same way. Now, say we were talking in this use case that we have got order stats, how many were paid, how many were canceled, shipped, etc. And then we have got these user signups on what day, how many users were signed up with us. Then we have our accounting software, which is giving us the data for daily marketing spend. We hit run, and it gives us and then we have got our marketing data set. Once we hit, looks like it has lot number of rows, since this is taking a little extra time. So let's just wait for that one. Here we go. So let's check. Oh wow, it has 45,000 rows, and I think it hardly took 3 seconds to bring in all these rows here. So now the time is to build the dashboards or our pivots. So we just go in insert pivot. We choose the table name. Here we go. Yep. And whatever. Yep. And then once you actually go and change the range from here, say I want to change the range to 15, run. Oh wow, my pivot is updated. So that's the beauty of our AlphaSheet plugin. And our data in coming in the Excel sheets itself, and then Excel users can actually go and play with the data as well. And if you notice, this data is actually in data table shape. So tables actually give you a lot more flexibility than usual data sets in the Excel sheet itself. So say if we jump to the here, so we can actually go ahead and put something. So it just creates the formula for us, and it renders everything into all number of rows. And same way, if I just go and edit it, my formulas will be retained. 18. Yep. Here we go. So now let's check the use case in practically how I have built it. So let me jump to the Excel sheet. Okay, here we go. So now I have actually I prepared this whole thing in a different file. So as we can see, I have connected to all these data sets, and I have created this whole beautiful pivots in one single dashboard. I can see all the data right there. It can actually help anyone who is right now browsing the data into different softwares. So you have to go back. You have to go back and forth to different applications and browse the data, or maybe you are downloading the data from there, and then you are bringing the data into Excel, and then you are manipulating it and then you are trying to create some sort of dashboards. So now you don't really have to worry about your raw data. You just connect with the data source. That is just one time effort, and then you just bring the data in the MS Excel itself. Yep. So, and in further videos, I will discuss about the other features of our plugin, how it actually helps a lot to the users. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video.